Hey Insiders, it's Brooke here. I just checked into my room at the Grand Floridian. I have a resort view studio room, so let's do a little room tour. This is when you first walk in to the room, and this is just to the left. This is the bathroom, this stunning mirror with these beautiful details. I love this mirror so much. I wish I could have it in my house. The artwork in here is super cute. It is subtly Mary Poppins theme, which I love. And just over here, across from the mirror and the vanity, is the room with the shower bathtub, which is really good for kids if you want to give them a bath, and the toilet. Just across from the bathroom is the coffee station. There is a mini fridge located in here, which is really nice if you want to store any snacks, beverages, or if you have milk for babies like I do that need to be stored. Here is where they have all of the coffee and teas that you can use with the coffee machine. They have mugs, glasses, a little ice bucket where you can get ice on your floor. And then they also have a microwave. To the right of that area is the full closet space. There is quite a bit of room for this size of a resort room, I feel like. Tons of hangers, a suitcase rack, some extra pillows and blankets just up here, a safe, and then some shelving. And then there's also some storage just under the TV here, so you have plenty of drawer space if you want to unpack. Depends if you're an unpacker or you keep all your stuff in a suitcase like me. Sometimes I do that. Actually, sometimes I do unpack, but totally your call. But there's plenty of storage in this room for clothes for the whole family. These drawers are pretty deep. And then we have a TV right here. And then this, I believe, is a pull-out couch. I did request a crib in my room because I do have a almost 5-month-old baby that is staying in my room. So I did request this. Not every single resort has these available, but they either will have this or a pack and play, which is really nice. So you don't have to bring your own or worry about that. And the room we are in has 2 queen beds. So these are the queen beds, and I absolutely love these little round pillows. They're such a nice touch. All the detailing in this room is just so pretty. There's even extra storage here. Totally forgot to mention that. So there's plenty of space. Seriously, if you want to unpack, I would recommend, because honestly, I don't know where you would put your suitcase in here. I wouldn't want it just laying around. Tripping hazard. If you know, you know. The artwork in here, again, like I said, wait, let me show you the artwork that's just over here. It actually has Mary Poppins in it, which I am obsessed with. Like, this in my house, please, like, I need someone to recreate this for me so I can put it in my house. Look how beautiful this is. Cherry Tree Lane, Mary Poppins. Doesn't get much better than that. And like I said, I do have a resort view room, so the view here is actually so perfect. It has a view of the pool here, one of the pools. Right here, that's the main building of the Grand Floridian, just over here where the lobby is. But this room is seriously so beautiful. And actually, I kind of have a park view, so I might be able to see the fireworks from here, which is unreal. And then just outside on our balcony, we have these chairs. This room is actually considered a dormer room, which means it's the highest level in the outside buildings, and it just has like an attic style ceiling, so I'll show you that inside. So as you can see here, we're on the top floor because the ceilings kind of go like this instead of straight across. And you can see that in here as well. As you can see, the ceilings are kind of like at a slant, if that makes sense. And I actually did request this. You can do that in your app before you check in. It's called a dormer balcony room, I believe. So if you want those ceilings and that matters to you, definitely go ahead and do that. But this room is so perfect. This room can sleep up to like 4 or 5 people, depending on how many people you want in the room. It does definitely sleep up to 4. 5 if you want to have someone on your sleeper sofa. And then of course the baby crib is an additional. You don't have to pay anything extra, it's just something that you can request upon check-in, which is what I did. You can actually request it prior to getting here as well if you do want to have a crib, because there are limited numbers of those. But like I said, they should have pack and plays, plenty of those. But if you want a full-size crib, maybe request it before check-in. But anyway, that is the full tour here at the Grand Floridian of a resort studio room. If you want to book a room just like this here at Disney World, make sure to reach out to our friends over at Academy Travel. They will book your vacations free of charge. The travel agents are seriously lifesavers, especially if it's your first time coming to Disney World. Even if it's your 100th time coming, it just makes it so much easier to have someone else book everything for you, and it's no additional cost. So if you are ready to book, go over to our friends at Academy Travel. But thanks for joining me, and stay tuned for all of our content from our media team week here. We're gonna be sharing tips, tricks, VIP tour, dining plan tips, and all of those things. So stay tuned for that.